Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some fresh news for all you Pixel users out there. Google has just started rolling out a new update, Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3. Now, before you get too excited about flashy new features, hold your horses. This one is all about stability and fixing a really annoying bug that's been plaguing many of us. If you've ever picked up your Pixel only to find the lock screen completely frozen and unresponsive, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's been a major headache, often forcing a full restart just to get your phone working again. Well, the good news is, Google has heard our complaints loud and clear. This latest Beta 3.3, specifically targets and squashes that pesky lock screen freeze bug. According to the official changelog, this update is designed to resolve the issue where devices could freeze up after waking. It's a huge relief for anyone who's been dealing with those random, frustrating freezes. This is the main, and really the only, highlight of this particular update. So, if you were hoping for new icons or major interface changes, you'll have to wait a bit longer. This release is laser-focused on improving the core experience and making our phones more reliable, which is arguably more important. So, who gets this update? It's rolling out to a wide range of devices, starting from the Pixel 6 series all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 lineup and even the Pixel foldables. If you're enrolled in the Android Beta program, you can grab this update right now. The build number is BP 41.250916, 15 for the Pixel 6 series, and a slightly different one, ending in A1, for the newer models. One interesting thing to note is that it's still running on the October 2025 security patch. This tells us that Google's priority wasn't to push the latest security updates, but to get this critical bug fix out to users as quickly as possible. These types of updates, known as QPRs or quarterly platform releases, are usually about refining the system and smoothing out the rough edges before a big public launch. We saw a similar thing with Beta 3.1, which fixed some boot loop issues. So, this Beta 3.3 is another step in that direction, making the software more stable and polished. For those of you in the beta program, the update should arrive over the air automatically. But if you're impatient like me, you can always go into your phone's settings, tap on System, then Software Update, and manually check for it. If you haven't joined the beta program yet, but this lock screen fix sounds too good to pass up, signing up is still pretty easy on Google's beta website. Just a word of caution: beta software is, by its nature, not final. While this update fixes a major bug, there's always a small chance it could introduce minor quirks of its own. That's just the nature of testing pre-release software. But for many, getting rid of that lock screen freeze will be well worth it. So, what does this all mean for the future? This small but significant update brings us one step closer to the stable public release of the next big Android version, which we're expecting to see later this year, possibly around December. While Beta 3.3 might not seem like the most thrilling update on paper, it's a crucial one. It's all about making your Pixel feel smoother, more responsive, and more dependable in your day-to-day life. If you've been pulling your hair out over those random freezes, this is the update you've been waiting for. That's all the news I have for you today. Let me know down in the comments if you VA installed the beta and if it fixed the lock screen issue for you. I'm really curious to hear about your experiences. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android news. I'll catch you in the next one.